Are you making these health mistakes? After 50, every decision you make about your health can have long-lasting effects. In this video, we're uncovering the 10 most common health mistakes people over 50 make, and, more importantly, how to fix them fast. From skipping crucial checkups to neglecting your mental health, small changes can make a huge difference in how you feel and live. Are you ready to take control of your health? Let's get started. Here's number 10 is skipping strength training. A common mistake people over 50 make is skipping strength training. While cardio is great for your heart, after 50, your muscle mass starts to decrease quickly. This can leave you feeling weaker and more prone to injury. You don't need to lift heavy weights. Starting with light dumbbells or resistance bands is enough to see results. Tip: aim for strength training at least twice a week to keep your muscles strong and healthy. Number 9 is ignoring joint health. Are you experiencing joint pain and assuming it's just a normal part of aging? Many people think joint pain is an unavoidable part of getting older, but that's not true. Ignoring your joint health can lead to more pain and stiffness over time. Add joint-friendly exercises like yoga or swimming to your routine, and focus on anti-inflammatory foods while avoiding those that cause discomfort. Next is not getting enough sleep. As we get older, insomnia and sleep problems become more common, but sleep is more important than ever. Lack of sleep can lead to memory problems, a weakened immune system, and even weight gain. Many people underestimate how much poor sleep impacts their overall health. Don't make the mistake of sacrificing rest. But don't worry, I've got a tip for you. To improve your sleep, try creating a calming bedtime routine. Avoid screens, like phones or TVs, before bed. Before we move on to number 7, don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so you never miss helpful tips on staying healthy after 50. And be sure to stick around for mistake number 10. It's one of the biggest health traps almost everyone misses. Moving on, we have number 7, neglecting mental health. We often focus on physical health, but what about your mental well-being? After 50, life changes, like retirement, the loss of loved ones, or less social interaction, can lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, or anxiety. Simple practices like mindfulness or meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety. And remember, it's okay to ask for help if you're feeling down. Don't ignore your mental health. It's just as important as your physical health. Next is not taking bone health seriously. Did you know that osteoporosis affects over 200 million people worldwide? After 50, especially for women, bone density becomes a major concern. Ignoring your bone health can lead to fractures, mobility issues, and more. We're halfway through the list. Let me know in the comments, what health mistake have you made? Or which tip are you going to start using today? I'll be checking the comments and responding. And don't go anywhere. We're getting closer to the number 1 mistake that could really improve your daily health. On number 5 is overeating or undereating. As you get older, your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. But don't worry, it's all about balance. Eating too few calories can lead to weakness and malnutrition. To stay healthy, focus on nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Tip: practice mindful eating. Pay attention to when you're hungry or full. Avoid eating out of boredom, and take your time while eating to let your body signal when you've had enough. Another one is skipping regular health screenings. When was the last time you had a health screening? If you're over 50, are you keeping up with your regular checkups? Or do you wait until something feels wrong? A common mistake is thinking, if I feel fine, I don't need to see the doctor. But after 50, regular checkups are more important than ever. Tip: schedule routine checkups regularly, even if you feel healthy. Don't wait for symptoms to appear before taking action. Finally, on our top 3, we have forgetting hydration. Our bodies don't signal thirst as well as they used to. But staying hydrated is so important. Dehydration can leave you feeling tired, disrupt digestion, dry out your skin, and even affect your focus and mood. So if you're not drinking enough, your energy and health can suffer. Tip: keep a water bottle with you and aim for about 8 cups a day. Don't wait until you feel thirsty. By then, you're already dehydrated. Next is relying too much on medications without lifestyle changes. It's easy to think a pill can fix everything, but relying on medication without making lifestyle changes is a big mistake. Conditions like high blood pressure, cholesterol, and even diabetes can often be managed better with a healthier diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction. Small changes can make a huge difference, and sometimes they can even reduce your need for medication. And finally, underestimating the importance of flexibility and balance. Flexibility and balance are incredibly important, especially as you get older. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury for people over 50, and poor balance or flexibility increases that risk. Stretching regularly keeps your muscles loose, while balance exercises strengthen the muscles that help you stay steady. And that's it. 10 common health mistakes people over 50 makes, and how to fix them. From staying hydrated to keeping your muscles strong, these small changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Remember, it's never too late to take charge of your health and start feeling better. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple ways to stay healthy as you age. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to start using. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and keep making those small, healthy changes. I'll see you in the next video.